The light that lets you see, work, and scroll your phone might secretly be killing you. Modern light isn't just helping us stay awake, it's confusing our brain and possibly fueling one of the most terrifying epidemics of our time. Chronic illness. Welcome to dark therapy, the science of healing by returning to something humans have completely forgotten: the power of darkness. Before we dive deep, if you care about your sleep, hormones, or brain health, check the exclusive link below for the Ageless Protocol's scientifically formulated supplements. The discount is limited, so grab it before it's gone. Welcome to the Ageless Protocol, the light revolution that backfired. For millions of years, our ancestors lived by the rising and setting of the sun. Their bodies synchronized perfectly with light in the morning and darkness at night. That simple pattern guided everything: hormones, digestion, energy, even emotions. Then, about 100 years ago, everything changed. Edison's invention of the light bulb wasn't just an innovation, it was a biological disruption. Humans brought the sun indoors and never turned it off. Now, we are surrounded by artificial light at night. Alan, from phones, TVs, street lights, and LED screens, a constant glow that our biology has never evolved to handle. This constant exposure is not harmless. Scientists now call Alan one of the biggest circadian pollutants of modern times. It scrambles the body's internal clock, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, buried deep inside your brain. This clock controls your metabolism, your mood, your immune system, even when your cells repair themselves. When your eyes see light at the wrong time, especially blue and white light between 440 and 520 nanometers, your brain thinks it's still daytime. That instantly shuts down the production of melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's night, time to rest, recover, and heal. What happens when the lights never go off? Without melatonin, your body doesn't just lose sleep, it loses control. Your immune system weakens, your hormones misfire, and your cells start to act like it's permanent daytime. Over years, this chaos leads to serious damage. A groundbreaking study in Israel compared women exposed to high levels of nighttime light with those who lived in darker environments. The results were shocking. Women who slept with lights on, or even mild outdoor lighting leaking into their room, had significantly higher rates of breast cancer 10 to 15 years later. Why? Because melatonin isn't just a sleep hormone, it's one of the most powerful anti-cancer molecules your body makes. It suppresses tumor growth, balances estrogen, and even helps your DNA repair itself while you sleep. Artificial light destroys that natural defense system. It's like turning off your body's security alarm and inviting disease to walk right in. And this isn't rare. It's happening everywhere. Our cities glow all night. Our homes are filled with LED lights, and our faces are glued to blue-lit screens until 2 a.m. We've turned the planet into a 24-hour day, and our bodies are breaking down trying to keep up. Dark therapy, the radical reset. That's where dark therapy comes in. It's not a trend. It's not pseudoscience. It's the simplest and most powerful biological reset you'll ever find. Spending deliberate, extended time in total darkness to restore your body's natural balance. In darkness, something incredible happens. Your pineal gland, the small, ancient organ at the center of your brain, begins producing melatonin again in massive amounts. Within hours, your body starts repairing damaged cells, balancing hormones, and calming inflammation. But here's what most people don't know. After several days in pure darkness, your brain can start producing DMT, the same powerful molecule found in ayahuasca, known for creating deep spiritual experiences and emotional healing. It's like the body's built-in therapy tool, one that activates only when the modern world stops flooding your eyes with light. Dark therapy practitioners describe it as resetting your entire nervous system. Studies using brain scans have shown decreased hyperactivity, emotional regulation improvements, and a dramatic drop in stress responses after prolonged dark exposure. And the deeper question now is, if light is making us sick, could darkness be the cure? Dark therapy. Can avoiding light at night heal you? When you enter complete darkness, something remarkable begins. Not instantly, but gradually, like a hidden system rebooting itself. At first, the silence and blackness feel unbearable. You can't tell time, you can't see your own hand, and your brain panics. That's because for the first time in your life, your body is experiencing pure darkness. No LED glow, no screen flicker, no passing headlights. But then slowly, your biology starts remembering what it was built for. The biological clock resets itself. Inside your brain sits the suprachiasmatic nucleus, SCN, the master clock that governs every single rhythm in your body. When light constantly hits your eyes, even at night, that clock loses track of time. Your body no longer knows when to release hormones, when to rest, or when to repair. You start living off schedule, even if you don't realize it. In darkness, the SCN gets a signal it hasn't felt in years. It's night. Your pineal gland responds by flooding your system with melatonin, your body's built-in nighttime medicine. Melatonin doesn't just make you sleepy, it's an antioxidant, a DNA protector, and an immune system booster. A study found that even dim light, as low as what leaks through closed curtains, could reduce melatonin by 50%. So, if you think that tiny light from your phone charger doesn't matter, think again. Your body sees it, your brain feels it, and your cells pay the price. Darkness repairs what light destroys. Melatonin does something else that's rarely talked about. It helps regulate epigenetic repair. That means it helps your genes switch on and off properly. When you live with artificial light at night, your body loses that regulation. Scientists call it global DNA hypomethylation. Basically, your genetic code starts to erode. But studies found that when melatonin levels rise again, those genetic damages begin to reverse. The body literally reprograms itself back toward health. In long-term darkness retreats, like the one filmed in Mexico, where participants spent 7 days in total blackness, researchers used brain scans before and after. The results were shocking. The post-darkness brains showed reduced inflammation, normalized hormone levels, and stronger neural connections in regions responsible for emotional balance, hallucinations, or healing. After a few days in darkness, people start reporting visions, colors, patterns, and even vivid dreams while awake. But these aren't hallucinations caused by madness. They're signs of deep neurochemical shifts. When your brain is deprived of visual input for long enough, it begins producing endogenous DMT, a natural compound linked to near-death experiences and spiritual awakening. DMT is often called the spirit molecule, and in dark therapy, it's created naturally by your own body. Some participants describe facing their deepest fears, old traumas, and memories that rise up unfiltered. The darkness removes distraction. There's nowhere to run, nothing to numb you. It's mental detox, and yes, it can be brutal. But when those buried emotions finally surface, something releases. Brain scans from participants after dark retreats show calmer activity in the amygdala, the fear center, and higher activation in the prefrontal cortex, the part that controls clarity and decision-making. Essentially, your brain stops reacting in panic and starts thinking clearly again. Dark therapy versus modern light. Addiction. Every day, most of us are addicted to light without even realizing it. From morning to midnight, we bathe our eyes in artificial blue light that suppresses melatonin, overstimulates dopamine, and burns out serotonin, the chemical responsible for happiness and emotional balance. Dark therapy is the antidote. It forces the brain to reset its chemical balance naturally, without medication or external substances. Just darkness, total, healing, silence-filled darkness. And when people emerge after several days, they often describe the same thing: an overwhelming sense of clarity, peace, and joy. Not from seeing the light, but from surviving without it. Artificial light and the hidden cancer. Link, in 2007, the World Health Organization made a chilling announcement. Shift work that disrupts the body's circadian rhythm is probably carcinogenic to humans, meaning light at the wrong time can help cancer grow. That same disruption is happening to every person who sleeps with lights on, checks their phone in bed, or lives near glowing street lamps. Researchers have now linked long-term nighttime light exposure to higher rates of breast cancer, obesity, and metabolic diseases. Think about that. Something as simple as keeping your phone screen on before bed or falling asleep with the TV humming could be rewriting your future health in silence. What darkness does that medicine can't? The beauty of dark therapy is its simplicity. No pills, no expensive procedures, just your biology returning to its natural rhythm. When you commit to true darkness, even for a few nights, your body begins to boost melatonin to its natural nighttime peak, repair mitochondrial damage, improving energy at a cellular level, reset hormonal balance, lowering cortisol, and stabilizing estrogen and testosterone, strengthen the immune system, enhancing its ability to detect and destroy abnormal cells, improve mood and brain clarity, reducing anxiety and emotional fog. The modern cure is ancient. Our ancestors didn't need dark therapy. They lived it. When the sun went down, the world went dark. Their bodies healed naturally every night. But in our 24-hour society, we've traded that for convenience, glowing cities, all-night work, constant entertainment, and we're paying with our health. It's ironic that the cure for modern sickness might not be another high-tech breakthrough, but the absence of technology itself. Darkness isn't the enemy, it's medicine. So, the next time you lie in bed scrolling your phone, ask yourself, how much of your health are you willing to sacrifice for a few extra minutes of light? Because real healing may not come from what you add, but what you turn off. Dim your lights 2 hours before bed. Put your phone away, and give your eyes the gift of real darkness. Your body will remember what to do. And to supercharge that process, check out the Ageless Protocol supplements below. Use the exclusive code in the description for a limited-time discount because healing starts tonight. Hit subscribe and join the Ageless Protocol